Hey guys, good morning. January 12th, 2022. Got a new one in here. Got here yesterday evening. About the time I was finishing up the 5.9 with the low compression in number one. Misfire. Ended up being a low compression number one. Bunch of videos already being uploaded for that. So let me go ahead and get on this one. This one's got a front oil leak at the front of the engine. Customer just started noticing some drops. So obviously it's been leaking for a while, but like most oil leaks, the customer doesn't see it. And when they do see it, that means it's a much larger oil leak than what they think. But nonetheless, there is some oil. I already started looking down there in the bottom, so I'm gonna get through that diagnosis. Like I said, I finished up yesterday evening. Excuse that noise. They're doing some construction across the way, but here, the 5.9 that was here last night, that one I finally finished it, had a misfire number one. Like I said, I did injectors on that one about 9 months ago. Was trying to make sure that there was no warranty work needed there, just trying to take care of my customer and make sure that I back up my word. But nonetheless, bad engine. That guy's got to come up with some resources so I can rebuild or replace that engine for him, whatever he wants to do in the end. Also, guys, just real quick, just a few minutes ago, Lincoln still there. That one's actually going to be coming in here in a few days, so I can finally get to that one and finish it up. But just got that Cummins in. It's a 5.9 with some blow by. Customers thinking about maybe possibly a rebuild there, so it will most likely be a rebuild. I kind of started looking at it already, and it does look like it's gonna have a lot of blow by in it. So almost the same one as the 5.9 is yesterday. Probably low compression in one of the cylinders. But nonetheless, let me show you guys under here. Let me show you this oil leak on this 2010 67, so you guys can see what the customer is looking at right there. That's what he's looking at. So he wants to take care of that. I want to say that's coming from the front main seal. Look at that right there. Without taking it apart, without going through it, I want to say it's coming from the front main seal. It might be coming from the front timing cover, but it looks like the front main seal. Regardless, I'm going to get on that. I'm going to start diagnosing that bad boy and see what I find on it. And I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know. Put some videos up of the diagnosis and also of the repair once we're there. I got a lot of things going on. I still have to get back to the 6.0 with the ARP head studs and reseal. That's the one right behind me. I got a mess back here, so I'm not going to show you guys. A little too embarrassed to show you my mess behind me. But I'm in the process of cleaning that up right now, and I'm going to show you guys back on that 6.0. I still have another 6.0 for kind of a somewhat engine rebuild. It's not going to be a full rebuild. The customer just wants to replace the one piston that's broken and then re-ring the rest of them. Customer choice. I'm not here to twist their arm. I'm only here to do what they want and explain to them what the benefits and what the drawbacks can be of their decisions. But you can only take the horse to the water. He has to take his own drink. Nonetheless, guys, let me get back to it. Start putting up these videos and start showing you guys how I do this every day. This is what I do for a living every day. Been doing this for 22 years. I was in the Army as a diesel mechanic. I was an M1A1 Abrams tech, a 63 Echo. And just now, went from big rigs, moved down about 15 years ago to the smaller trucks, to the Duramaxes, Power Strokes, and Cummins. So I even do 6.7 Power Strokes. I got a bunch of pictures. I'm actually going to start uploading pictures, a collage of pictures of repairs that I do. Because I have a bunch of pictures, because I used to take those pictures to send to the customers. But nonetheless, no videos. I'm new to this. The channel is about a month old, so this is new to me. All right, guys. Well, I will talk to you soon, and we'll go from there. See you guys in a bit.